Hi guys! In this video I will show you how to do very easy natural curls. As always, don't forget to subscribe to get notified for my latest videos, and without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So this is how my hair look without anything. I washed them yesterday and I just blow dried them. So first of all, we take our brush and we brush very lightly all over our hair, so it will be easier to curl our hair. The next step is that we divide our hair into two parts, like this. And the upper part, we just make a messy bun very quickly, and we hold everything with an elastic like this, and we have all this hair, which are a lot because we don't see the back of our head, so we need also to divide this into two parts. I just divide them like this. I take from the back part and I hold it up with a clamor. At the current time, I haven't plugged in my curling wand, so I will show you how to hold the hair on the wand to have very natural curls, and this way I will not burn my hair. So take your section, it doesn't matter how you hold your hair, and just wrap your section around the flat iron, and you can touch your hair to see if they're getting warm. The maximum time that you will let your hair on the wound is 10 seconds, and then you just let it and you have beautiful natural curls. If you want your curls to be more structured, that means that you will place the hair flat on the iron. You see what I do? I twist the hair before I place them, so it will be flat, and this is how you will have a more structured curl. I will not do this technique for this video, I will do the other one, and let's start with the curls so you will see how they actually look. So my curling iron is on. This is the curling wand by Remington. It's not a curling iron, sorry. So we will need a heat protectant spray so we will not damage our hair, and we don't apply a lot of this product. We just need a small amount, so like this. You can also brush it so the product goes everywhere. And then I divide my hair in two parts. I take my curling wand and I do like I showed you before. I just wrap the hair 10 seconds and we're done. You can also touch it. It is very hot. Be careful not to burn your fingers. And this is our curl. And later it will also open, so it will look more natural. I don't bring my curl into here, so I will have very natural curls. For my right side, I use my left hand. I take again the hair, I place my wand downwards, and I wrap the hair around my wand. Be very careful not to burn yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Okay, so let's continue with the second section. I will divide the hair again into two because I will curl this side with my right hand and this one with the left hand. For the hair that are in the back of your head, take your wand behind your head and wrap the hair around the wand. Be very careful not to burn yourself and your head. And let's take some hair from the bun. So about 3 centimeters, I take some hair and then I take the same amount from the other side, like this. I also leave some of the back hair behind and I make again a messy bun. It also helps if you take all the curled hair and you twist them together. That way it will be, oops, I twisted them from the other side. So you will find easier the hair that they need to become curls. And as you can see, this side is away from my face. So from both of the sides, I curl the hair away from my face. I take a small section again. As you can see, this is how much hair I take. I take my wand, I just hold my hair, and I wrap them around. With a little bit of practice, you can do this in 15 minutes. It depends how many hair you have. And I just take them and I place them around my wand, and that's it. And also, as you can see, I leave a very small space to hold the hair, and this is not curled, but it will make our curls more natural. If you want your hair to be more wavy instead of curly, you can take more hair and curl them all together. If you want your curls to be a little bit more structured like this, you divide your hair in smaller sections. If you have heavy hair and very long hair, try to wrap the hair around the wand very tight so your curls will last longer. As you can see, I wrap my hair away from my face. So you see, away and again away. It is difficult in the beginning, but with practice you can do it. Do shafts das. So twist your hair all together and take some more hair from your bun. I will do now my side part. You don't need to do something very precise. As you can see, I have more hair on this side, so I will just make a little bun. Apply our heat protectant, and we don't need a lot. Brush it. Oops, I almost brushed my curls. And wrap away from the head. And for me, it works this kind of section because I have a lot of hair. And if you don't have as much hair as I have, you can take more hair to curl and you will be finished quicker. But I have a lot of hair. They are thick and also heavy, so this is the section that works for me. Then we will divide the rest of the hair. And then just open your curls. This gives a very nice volume to the hair. And what I like to do after that is that I twist the curls that I want to be together. I only do that for the top curls, and I also push my hair, so I will give a little bit of volume. And you have very nice curly hair. Don't forget to turn off your curling wand, and after that we can use a little bit of hairspray, just a little bit if we just have a special event and we want our curls to last longer, and very small amount. So this is the first time that I do a hair tutorial. I hope that you liked it. If you would like to see another hair tutorial, let me know in the comments below. I would also like to show you how to do wavy hair. It's very easy and very quick. So let me know if you would like also to see something like that for me. So that completes this video. I hope that you liked it. If you found it informative or entertaining, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!